Hi, my name is Lori Watts. I'm a certified Microsoft Office trainer and owner of Software Simplified. What I'd like to show you how to do today is how to manage your page breaks, something that's not so obvious in Microsoft Excel. I'm using version 2013 today. So what I would like to do is first of all show you where the page breaks are in this existing document. It's quite a mess. If I go to Print Preview, you'll see that page 1 looks fine. However, page 2 of 4, you lose your column headings. Page 3 of 4, you lose the names on the left-hand side, and 4 of 4, you lose both. So there you can manage this in, as usual, several different places. Let me show you simple troubleshooting that you may be able to do from here, and that is to change the orientation to landscape. That's not going to fix this problem. It's more complicated. You can always change the letter size, perhaps to legal. That's not going to solve it in this case either. There is scaling you may be able to do from here, fit on one page. Excel will let you fit as much as you want on one page. The problem there is it may not be legible. And you can also ask it to fit all of your columns or just the rows on one page if it's just a little bit. That's not going to fix this problem either. So we need to dig deeper. So like I said, those simple solutions from either of those screens is not going to work. So we have to go back to either View, Page Break Preview from here, or if you like to use the buttons down at the bottom right, Page Break Preview is accessible from here as well. Page Break Preview is by far the easiest way to manage your page breaks. Go in there. You simply point to the page breaks and drag them around. So let's say we want the comments to be on a different page. You would just drag your break like that. Down here we want a little bit more on those last two pages, so I'm going to drag this up. We do need this to be on 4 pages if we want it to be somewhat legible. So the point here is I'm managing my page breaks by just moving them around. If I did want this to go from 4 to 2 pages, you would drag either the vertical or horizontal break right to the edge, and so now this is 2 pages. How small will this be? Good question. If we go to the page layout, you will see here under scaling just how small this has become. 83% is a good rule of thumb in that it is still legible. Any lower and it might be a little hard to read. So even with this, we still have the issue of the headings. Right? We can go to our print titles right from here from page layout tab. Print titles is where we need to be to ask Excel to repeat. In this case, we just need the columns to repeat at the left. And so you click in there, and you come over and click and drag over to the column or columns that you want to repeat. The nice thing is you have your print preview right in this box. So let's see how this is looking. This is going to be page 1. And page 2 looks pretty decent as well because it's also given us the name so we can follow through and connect all our data. So again, the easiest way for you to manage your page breaks is to go to Page Break Preview, which we're still in right now. Should you want to switch back, you go to Normal View. Thank you for listening.